फक्त 12th जाल्या उपरांत आर्ट्स, सायन्स, कॉमर्स, BA, BCom, BSc, MBBS, इंजिनियरींग इतकेच न्ही तर हाज्या व्यतिरिक्त जायती ऑप्शन्स गोंयांत, इंडियेंत, इन एब्रॉड एवेलेबल आसता. फाटल्याच दिसांनी जेन्ना हांवें चवकशी केली तेन्ना कितलेशेच स्टुडंट फॉर द ग्रॅज्युएशन ऑल्सो एब्रॉडाक वतात, शिकतात हें पळोवन म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें. म्हाकाय अभिमान दिसलो की गोंयचे आमचे भुरगे अशा पद्दतीचे वेरियस कोर्सीस बिसायड इंडिया इन एब्रॉड ऑल्सो अशा पद्दतीत शिकता हें पळोवन म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता.
Some of the students have this question. Now, if they have already chosen a degree program and later on if they decide that they want to switch over to a different discipline, if they want to switch over to a different subject, whether they can do it. And certainly they can do it. And I have quite a few friends and I know quite a few colleagues who have changed their discipline, changed their subject, not just during the degree program, but even after the degree program.
In last year, in 2020, during the pandemic period, the Directorate of Higher Education took the initiative of digitizing and integrating all the academic process across the colleges and one common digital platform. So we started off with the pilot project as an integrated academic management system. So the initial first task was to have the online admission process, and whether we make the provision for the students to complete the admission process, including the paying of the online fees, and then having the subsequent access to their regular class activities, lecture activities, their attendance. So we incorporated academic and teaching learning process and also the student management.
I request all the students to regularly check the DTE website for updates on eligibility list, merit list. Further, as the admission process is going on, there will be a lot of compliance that you need to do in terms of documents. So you have to keep referring to our DTE website. The merit list which will be generated, the allotment of seat, fee payment, reporting to the institution, all these schedules will be put up on the DTE website. So I please request you students to refer to our DTE website time and again. The schedule of admission process, which is the most important, which we have not yet notified. So we'll be notifying the same shortly. For GSET based courses, which is for engineering and pharmacy, we will notify by the 6th of August. And for the NEET based courses, we will notify by the 16th of September. Now all these courses, the notifications for all these courses will be there in the newspaper as well as on the DTE website.
Look for options and good colleges in other states also. You need to understand that the institutions will not come to you. You will have to go to the best institutions in the country to apply to them.